What's up, everyone? Thanks for watching. Today I am gonna go get my bike dynoed. This is my chance to get my bike dynoed and see what I'm really pushing. I'm excited. So we're gonna see lots of bikes. Lots of bikes. Whew. I'm excited. If you can't tell, I'm excited. Super excited. It's a Saturday. I don't have to work. It's not the warmest day today, but this will do. This will definitely do. Got the hand signal going. So hopefully we run into some bikers on the way there. Hopefully. It's a little chilly. The sun is out, but it's chilly. It's probably gonna hit like 50, some mid 50s today. I'm so excited. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'm super stoked right now just to be out on my bike and just to be where other riders are, and you know, it's just so freaking awesome. Everything is awesome. I don't know, that's all I know from that Lego movie. Everything is awesome. I'm cold, my nipples are freezing. I'm nipping so hard right now, it's just, oh my goodness. Why does it have to be so chilly? So I'm hoping my bike will at least get 100 horsepower to the wheels. I'll be happy with that. Oh, there they go. There's some riders. There's some riders. Let's go follow them. I don't know where I'm going. And I don't care whether you ride a sports bike, a cruiser, a touring bike, a sports touring bike. You're riding. You're on two wheels. I don't discriminate. I regulate. Something like that. This is what I do. I like to follow people. I hope they don't think I'm like some crazy dude. Hopefully they're all going to the same place. If not, then I'll just branch off and go my own way. I wonder if I'm running late or how busy it's gonna be there. Well, guess we'll find out. We're going at a nice cruising pace. It's cold, I'm getting the sniffles. I want my bike to warm up even more so I can just feel all nice and warm between my legs. I don't even think those guys are together because they're not really riding in like a formation. We got a little formation going here. About 3 more miles. Yeah, it's Eden Prairie. We're getting there, we're getting closer. See, I don't know how that guy up there could just ride like that. I know I'm so freaking cold. And I got my liner on in my jacket, and he doesn't have a helmet on, and he's just, oh, he's a bigger guy. I'm not saying he's fat or anything, but he's a bigger guy. He's probably nice and warm and toasty. I don't know, I can't see his front of his bike, but he probably has a big windscreen or something. But I'm freezing. They're exiting. I'm not going to be exiting. It was a nice ride with you guys. It was fun. I guess they're not going to where I'm going, so that's alright. That is alright. We're going to see Washington Avenue. That's where I gotta exit. Never really come to this area, but it's cool to ride some different places. I haven't seen any other bikers yet, so I hope I'm going in the right direction. Oh, more riders! I'm going in the right direction. Cool. Going the wrong way now. They probably already got their stuff, so I'm totally going the wrong way. Darn it, I gotta go back. I was just so excited to see other riders. I gotta go this way. Oh, my bike is starting to warm up. Oh, it feels so nice. Great, I got that song stuck in my head now, and that's all I know is everything is awesome. Get off your phone. So now I have to ride my ass back. I just got so excited. I couldn't help myself. Uh-oh. And then I'm supposed to go this way. And I'm supposed to go right where those bikes are coming from. And then I'm supposed to go this way. And then I'm supposed to go this way. And like I hit a big camera and a microphone. And when I go this way. It's pretty dangerous. Keep looking at my GPS. But I'm going at a respectable speed. Not speeding. I am not speeding. Okay, it sounds like it's right here. Well, what did I say? Sounds like it's right here? Oh. That's where the dynos are, right there. Let's check it out. R1. Look at all the bikers. It's awesome.
Red Bull.
Can I get one? Thank you. Got a Red Bull. Hell yeah. Is anybody else in line? Is anybody else in line waiting? Can I try my bike?
Man, I cannot believe how freaking cold it is.
I know. Holy crap. But it's great to see all these bikers together and...
Oh, there'd be 10 times that if it was nice.
Right.
I talked to 100 people.
Yeah, you want the keys? Or?
100 people that were coming, but it's too cold.
Yeah. Oh, my bike has gotta go on the dyno. I feel like such a loser. I have no friends. That's my baby. We'll see what happens. I don't know if you can see that.
Can't see.
Yeah. Yeah. You said one more, it might bring 100. Ah, yes! That's all I wanted. Yes, that's all I really wanted. Knowing that I'm pushing 100 horsepower, or at least. That's pretty awesome. I'm happy. Yeah, I'm surprised there aren't more people out here right now. It is kind of chilly, like I said. Awesome. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, no problem. Man, I gotta run into you so bad.
It's all that Red Bull.
Yeah.
Wow. 99.7. We're gonna put the 1000 on there now. CBR 1000. Let's see what that pushes. Is that your bike?
Yep.
Oh, awesome. What are you hoping to get?
I was told they had 179 at the wheel last
Yeah.
time, so we'll see.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think it's gonna make? Dude told me they had 179 at the wheel. Yeah. Hoping for 170 at least.
Right. My 600, I was hoping just for 100 horsepower to the wheel, and it barely got there.
600?
Yeah.
And what did you put? Did you put it up there?
Yeah, I put it up there. I got 99.7. So that was good enough for me.
What? 150.
That's what all the other bikes were, the R1s and the ones that were running before. They were hitting 150, 160.
That makes me feel better if he's only putting out 150. Because this is my bike here.
Yeah.
It's got the same motor as the CBR.
Yeah.
But it's got a different cam in it.
Yeah.
It's got more low end torque, so I only put about 126 horsepower.
Okay. How much does that bike weigh?
450.
Okay.
Yeah, we're like this, you know, the crotch rocket CBR.
Yeah.
Mine's at probably 16, where I red line at 11.
Yeah, but you got that low end torque, yeah.
So I'll probably beat him off the line.
Yeah.
Eventually he'll fucking pass me.
Right. That was a good experience. I love that. That was fun. I'm happy with my results, definitely. Oh yeah. I'm so geeked. Yeah, my 600 is 100 horsepower to the wheels. Good enough for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please like, share.
How can I be able to see you?
Subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I look ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails off.
Look for me. You about to be on there.